What's up, Brody? Dude, it's so gorgeous out.
Nice day, perfect day for driving.
We didn't do a lot of cruising last season, and we're trying to find some good cruise roads around here. We grew up on like kind of the other side of the state, so we don't really know the area too well around here by the shop. So the goal today is to find some nice cruise routes. Maybe some drift corners or something.
Yeah, explore.
I guess let's just send it.
A little sightseeing, yeah. You can send it, I can't really send it.
So we got Jim, Brian, and Eddie behind me. It's gonna be pretty fun. So we're just gonna drive around, enjoy some Jay-Z noises, and just take in the good weather. So much fun. My transmission. There's a cool spot over there. Follow me.
Let's go.
Let's go. My car is too goddamn low. Ah. Oh. How did I get tricked into driving through this? Oh shit. There we go. When in doubt, drive on the grass. Yeah, I might not have a tranny left after this road.
Have a tranny.
Right.
This road is terrible.
So I dirt dropped really. Oh wow, yeah, I dirt dropped hard.
I told you, you got half the road in your fucking lip.
I got okay, dude. I took my sway bar off, and now my car's pulling Mustang moves and just getting really wonky. So it's sketchy to drift.
Easy to manji though.
My alignment's so wonky. Every time I hit the brakes, it's like I have bumps here. Like
my car's stock.
Like
it feels fine.
Not yet. Not yet. Give it another hour.
Yeah.
Ugly ass bitch.
I can see land from here.
Well, I can't even see you in the camera.
Oh, I started on land.
Oh, there you are.
Can you see me?
I can see you. You're too young. What's up?
What are you doing over there? Ah!
What the hell are you guys doing?
All right. Should I go higher or not?
Yeah, go higher.
Yeah,
Come
go
on.
that far. Dude, moccasins are the best tree climbing shoes. You know this. Yeah, don't grab that fucking Widowmaker. That's game over if you touch that guy.
Think so?
Yeah, definitely just manhandle your way up there.
Hazel picks the deadest tree.
The deadest tree is wearing moccasins.
What kind of technique is that?
Oh.
What is he, a sloth?
Yeah.
Oh.
What's gonna get stuck and he's gonna hang up. Right.
Hazel, that looks soft. Just let go.
There's absolutely no way.
Are you stuck?
Yeah.
Do swan dive. I want to so bad.
Or yo, just cannonball right onto that.
Where'd my hat go?
Oh!
No. It went in the water.
No, not the hat.
Let me fish it out.
Get a stick. Yeah, dude, I'm all set, Kai.
Ow, there's prickers.
Let's go.
Nice work.
Yo, I dare you to put that back on your lid.
It's out. Oh, nice. Oh, I can't really reach.
Reese.
You want to throw it up? No, I'm just gonna go in the water.
Yeah, shout out to Adam LZ.
Yeah, is this true? This branch doesn't seem as stable as the last one.
Now keep going, you're good.
Tripping. Yo, you big tripping.
Again, wood in my mouth. No.
Wood in my mouth.
Alright, let's hit the road, let's head back. So sketchy with no sway bar. Oh, it sounds so good. That noise will never get old. Oh boy, that's a hill. Woo! Oh my God. Oh my God. I need to get this car off 17s and on 18s because I keep bottoming it out so hard and this car isn't even that low. Look at that big ass rock. This thing eat so bad because I haven't even gone full throttle in this thing, but these roads are a little rough for my current setup. Hell yeah, B. Attaboy. Sideshow Brian. Get it, B. Yeah, B. Get it, man. Oh, that feels so good. Here we go. That was a drive.
Put a couple miles on.
That was fun.
It was a lot of fun.
That's new.
Dad can't. I love this camera. Dude, that was a lot of fun. I'm glad you led that time because I was able to see where all the bumps were because my car was sketchy. So I need to figure out a sway bar for the car ASAP because driving with no sway bar, that was really sketchy. I couldn't go that fast and a bump would send this car off the road. It was really sketchy. But it was a good shakedown because Street Series drift competition is in a week and a half, or a week. So I know what the order's tonight.
That was fun. I gotta poop.
So when you're driving on a track, the track's usually smooth and you're usually sideways the whole time. You don't get to notice a lot of the weird quirks about your car, but driving on the road, we were out for like almost 2 hours. It was amazing. And I noticed a lot of stuff I do have to improve on the coupe, and I'm happy we did it, and we got a week to improve it. So I love having the car in 17-inch wheels, mainly because everything just fits so well. There's no binding in the front, and honestly, I think it looks amazing on coupes. Like, coupes look so good with 17s. But the problem is my tranny is just dragging. It's not even that low. It's just when you put 17s on the car, it just makes it so body low that it's just not even usable. And on hatches, you could pull double staggered where you have 17 in the front, 18 in the rear. No one could even ever tell. I mean, look at LZ's car. Adam has double staggered, and probably half of you didn't know that. So unfortunately with coupes, this sticks out really bad. So I think I might try and get a pair of 18-inch wheels and see if we can get them to fit them and make them look decent. If we could, keep it on it, and that's a really good solution in bringing the car off the ground. Because I don't want to raise it. A lot of you guys are probably like, just raise the car, but no, I mean, it's already pretty tall looking, so we're good. We got that. I ordered a front lip, rear valances, and my side skirt extension, so we'll have this thing fully kitted. And then we got to work on the roof and the quarter, and it's ready for paint. It looks like I've acquired a small little oil leak. That's pretty big. So I wouldn't doubt that I knock something loose or put a hole in something after driving all those roads. So let's assess the damage. RJ, what are you calling it? Oil drain, oil pan? What do you think?
I'm gonna go with the pan.
Well, my oil pan has gotten beat the fuck up. Oh my god. So look at the oil pan, and then look at the drain plug. The drain plug is holding on by dear life right there. Man, it didn't sound like it was like bottoming out that hard, but I think it's really thin now. I might have to replace my oil pan.
Is that something you can do?
Yeah. So luckily, since this is front sump, as you can see, there's an upper and lower pan like an SR where you don't have to remove the whole pan. You could just remove the lower piece like this, which is really nice. So I can actually get to all the bolts. All I have to do is drop my sway bar, which is not a big deal at all. So these are cheap. By cheap, I mean like $80, which, you know, as far as apart from Japan goes, it's reasonable.
I think you definitely need a skid plate.
But I definitely need a skid plate. Me and B knew from the start that I'd have to make one, but I was just kind of seeing how long I can go
without having to do it.
Yeah, and it looks like I can't go very long at all.
That's what she said.
Oh my god. Alright, so that is it's my drain bolt. Full focus on it.
Pretty dirty.
That was a close one.
That doesn't look good.
No, it's not.
How did that break?
Car's too low. Alright, so let's check it out again. I got the light this time. So, as you guys can see, it's worn away pretty damn bad right here. And obviously the drain plug was pretty destroyed. Right here, it's not too bad. But the real question is, how worn through is it? It might be like almost fully through right there, which is kind of scary. Huh. I might pull the old Volkswagen trick and just weld a plate to it before I put the new one on. Oh, that's crazy. Well, that's good. Definitely a good problem to catch early in the season, because now I have a lot of time to figure out how to avoid it, and that is the big downfall with putting a big engine in a small car like this. It hangs, and I'm not raising the engine. It's not worth it. It will throw off the handling of the car, so anyone wants to say that, it's not a good idea. But skid plate is a good idea, but the problem is the skid plate will then be lower, so I'll be just bashing the skid plate. We'll figure it out.
Trying to think where I'm gonna get the oil pan from.
Toyota.
Yeah, I know, but like, you're telling me to look up an IS or an SC, and they can't look up.
Not SC. SC is a rear sump. You can't do an SC.
Yeah, but I'm using this as a reference. Is that like, okay, so
my part guy sucks. I'm gonna order on eBay. So okay.
Toyota can't look up Lexus parts and vice versa. So like, if you want me to look it up using a Lexus car, I can't.
Oh, look up a Supra.
Yeah,
Supra's
so I
in
have to
front
look
of
up a Mark
Okay,
IV
whatever. So, with that, we had a fun day driving around. Like I said, worked out a lot of kinks. We've done a lot of talking, so you don't want to listen to me. But it's a gorgeous day. I'm going to spend the rest of the day with Steffi and enjoy myself. So, with that, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and wish me luck. See you guys soon.